today I'm here to talk to you about using activated charcoal, Psyllium Husk, and herbs like cascara, as well as bentonite clay to clean your GI tract and colons. So the product that I use is called Heal All Tea. It's made of those three main ingredients, but also has a lot of herbs in there that are movers, that help you move, waste through your colons so you can excrete it. It's used when you have been on foods for a few weeks. I don't recommend you use this if you're coming from a standard American diet and you're moving and using this, because this thing, it's like a scrubber. It scrubs the colon, the GI tract. It scrubs it. It pulls things out. And if you're not eliminating properly, if you're not pooping properly, and you take this, it can make things more constipated and make things more difficult. So always use this 4 or 5 weeks after you started an all foods diet program, and then it's going to pull mucus plaque out. It's going to remove any waste, and also get the lymphatic system in those walls moving. Okay, so it's something I recommend you use. It's very powerful, and the way you use it is you take a teaspoon and you mix it with, say, 8 to 12 ounces of fruit juice. You do this once or twice a day. Once or twice a week is more than enough, and you're good to go. Sometimes you use enemas with it. It's not always recommended, but you can do it if you think you know what you're doing. This will help you remove more waste from your colon. So I hope this helped you. Any questions, feel free to ask below.